And I opened the refrigerator and I said, oh, I've got some chicken here. I cooked the other day and I made some chicken. I have some chicken.
Is that from the grilled rotisserie chicken?
Yeah, the grilled rotisserie chicken. And I said, well, what am I going to do with this? Because, we got to do something with it. So I said, well, let's just make it on the stove with rice, chicken, and veggies. Let's get our onion in there. Onion in. And we'll start with our onion. Today, I've got one green squash. You can use whatever you like. Whatever kind of veggies you like. So we're going to get that going. And I've got some of the San Marzano tomatoes here, what I'm going to do with them is dice them up. So we'll have a diced tomato. And then whatever was in there with it, I'm going to, whatever juice is left in the can. So what I'm going to do is first just cut these up just like this. So now we got diced tomatoes, and these are San Marzano straight from Italy. Beautiful tomatoes. Okay, so we'll get that going right there because I need that ready to go. And what I'm going to do is get back over here to the pan. Let's mix up this onion I started with. And I'm going to use rice today, I decided. So I'm going to put the chicken in and rewarm it, but I'm going to make a rice dish with onion and some peppers. I had some frozen peppers I found in the freezer, and I'm going to just throw them right in, just like this, right in. And we're going to have a beautiful veggies, everything good, delicious. The chicken will hold back here. And what I'm going to do is add some salt. Get some salt on there. And some parsley. We'll just give about a good teaspoon of parsley there. And some beautiful Italian seasoning. I'm going to use Italian seasoning because I want this with an Italian bent. Okay? All right. So now I've got some salt. If you like pepper, put pepper. All right, now I have, for our liquid, I have chicken broth. So I'm going to put chicken broth in when I put the rice in. So what's happening here is we're going to mix this up. These are frozen. They're going to defrost. It's going to create some water. It's peppers and onions, and I put half an onion in there already. And so what we're going to do is put the lid on this while I cut. Let this come up while I cut this. I'm just going to move this over just slightly, just like that. And then I'm going to take this squash and cut it right up. Just take it like this. And I'm going to take it and just cut it so it's in some nice pieces. So we have a veggie. So when we come back, we're going to continue on making our chicken rice dish. Pete out.